Yo, you hear that? Tell me that ain't sound good, bro. What's good, family? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Legends. Well, hold up. You thought this was a CPM update video, didn't you? Thought your ass. You really thought, bro. But don't go away just yet, bro. I promise you, this is still peak. CPM wish it had a lot of things this game has right now, trust me. And I'm talking about no other than RYZEN Xperience. I haven't made a full video on this game in like, what, 3 years? I have missed so much changes and improvements, so I think we should give it another chance, you know, take a look at what it has to offer these days and all of that. But before we get into it, gotta do the shout outs. So a quick shout out to all of you awesome viewers and subscribers that tune into all my videos. I appreciate the support for real. So if you want to be shown in a future upload, just comment shout out down below, drop a like and subscribe, and I'll try to pick you out in next one if you're early. Now with all that said, let's dive right into this fresh new update for this underrated racing game. Yeah, the new cars that we have are the GT3 cars in a whole new race class, but for all of you that missed out on the previous stuff or you're new to this game, yes, we have motorcycles. Yes, we got trucks too. We got minivans, 6-wheeler trucks, man, we even got go-karts, and of course the F1 cars. Man, this game got almost everything you can think of. We just need boats and airplanes at this point, bro. But hey, let me know if you guys want me to showcase all of that stuff or play the game more. You guys can hop on with me. Yes, we got multiplayer and we can make private servers for racing or open world fun, any of that stuff. So you guys can get the game and let me know if you're interested in all of this. And yes, I know I'm rich.
Genius, billionaire, playboy, philanthropist.
And don't worry, you guys can be rich too. I know the sauce. Just hop in, I'll put you guys on. We in the Discord server chilling, so we're gonna be starting to play this alongside CPM. So nah, this doesn't mean we're quitting CPM. In fact, we just expanding the games that we play. So whenever we need a little break from the usual CPM stuff, we don't get bored too often, we can hop in different games. So you guys can hop in to chill in the Discord and we can have suggestions in there. And all of us just hop in different games every now and then and have some fun. Basically, I'm here today to review the new GT car pack. And yeah, this isn't a situation where all the cars look the same on the inside or sound the same, nothing like that. They are all different, they all function differently, and I think that's exciting to see in a game like this that doesn't get the attention that it needs, you know what I'm saying? So today, I want to show you guys what it has to offer and why it's worth it to get the pack. I mean, because this is the GT pack, you get the whole class once you get the pack. So I feel like it's worth the support to the developer. So for all you racing enthusiasts, I'm gonna show you guys exactly what you're gonna love to see. Let's dive right in and start with the, should I start with the AMG? I haven't driven this one at all. I've driven the Lambo and the Porsche and the BMW, the Bentley of course, but I haven't driven, I think, the Ferrari too. But yeah, I'm gonna test these out. I'm gonna let you guys have a listen to the sounds, see the inside. It's all different, it's all crazy. It's great for the quality that you get. Alright, so I'm gonna be quiet for a bit and just let the cars do the talking so you guys can enjoy all of these straight cut gears, man. Some of the other cars with some great straight cut gear sounds are the LMP cars. I'm not sure how accurate the engine sounds are, but man, when it comes to the straight cut gears, this game nails it. They nailed it with the sounds. So I want to head over to, where's that new track? Which one of these are the new track? Benny, you're gonna have to help me out here. Which one of these are the new track? Is it Greenwood GP? I think it is. So I'm gonna go into L class. Difficulty very hard. Pause. We're gonna see what that's like. But yeah, I'm not a good driver by any means. I just want you guys to hear the sound of this race class as well. Bro, I'm not a good driver when it comes down to driving these, but yeah, you guys can see it's pretty cool stuff. You can even pause your race in the middle of it and use the drone camera to get some cool shots. You can use the record button as well to rewatch replays. You can make some cool shots with it, so I think I'm gonna play around with that too. But let me know what you guys think. I know the graphics aren't really up there like that with modern titles on mobile, but I feel I like the aesthetic of it. It reminds me of Live for Speed. For any of you OG that know ball, Live for Speed is one of the best games when it comes to gameplay with cars, the racing, the physics, and all of that. I feel like this game is Live for Speed, but for mobile. It doesn't have top of the line graphics, no Assetto Corsa modded graphics, but it has that gameplay and it has the spirit and the passion in it. So I appreciate that with it. So that was me just testing them in the open world. You can of course make your own custom races, whether in single player with the AI. They improved the AI too, as you can see in the intro. Or you can race with your friends in multiplayer and set up your own race classes and all of that stuff. This was just me showcasing the quality of these new GT pack cars. So let me know what you guys think so far, what you want to tell the developer to add or improve on in the game, because I'm going to be working closely with him from now on so we can get this game up and running again, because we want to have some events going on in here too, not just CPM. So let me know what you guys think. As always, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Stay safe.